Transform your Word documents with eye-catching circular text. It's easier than you think. First, we need to insert a shape to guide our text. Go to the Insert tab. Then click on Shapes and choose the Oval tool from the Basic Shapes section. Left-click and drag on your document to draw a circle. Don't worry about the size or exact position for now. Now, let's remove the fill from our circle so it doesn't obstruct our text with the circle selected. A new Format tab should appear at the top. Click on Shape Fill and select No Fill. Next, we'll add our text. Go back to the Insert tab. Click on Text Box and choose Draw Text Box. Click and drag to draw a text box, ideally inside your circle. Type your desired text into the text box. For this example, we'll type Creative Font Designs. Now for the magic. With your text box selected, go to the Format tab again and look for the Word Art Styles group. Click on the Text Effects button, then hover over Transform and select the Arched Text option from the fourth row, first column. Your text is now curved. To make it perfectly follow the circle, we need to adjust its position and shape. Click and drag the text box so it aligns with the circumference of your drawn circle. You can also click on the circle's adjustment handle, the yellow diamond, to change the curvature of your text. If your text is too big or small, select the text within the text box and adjust the font size using the Home tab. You can also change the font style for a different look. Finally, we want to hide the circle outline. Select the circle, go to the Format tab, click on Shape Outline and choose No Outline. Then select your text box, go to Shape Outline and choose No Outline for that as well. And there you have it, beautifully arranged circular text in Microsoft Word. This technique is fantastic for logos, invitations, or adding a professional touch to any document.